guys, Coffee and Diamonds here. Here with a video to unbox 2 Amazon diamond paintings. So the first one we have, it costs $3.99. There we go. I'm gonna raise you up a tiny bit. Okay. Of course, links will be down below. The other day I was just surfing Amazon, found some good little priced items and decided to, might want to do them and show them on the channel. Try to straighten this out a little bit for you. Let me move this stuff. Let me show you the drill field. Y'all see that glitter. Very clear. It does have training wheels, but that's okay. Has DMCs. And it is a 30 by 40 from what it says. Let me get my measure tape out. 25 by 35, which is usual. So here's our symbols here, if y'all can see those. Yep. Just letters, a couple of different symbols. Yeah, pretty easy to read though, very clear. Okay. So it does come with a clear pen, a 4-placer, thin 4-placer, single placer, squishy, plate of wax, boat, and a couple baggies. And the drills. We're going to take a look at these real quick. And if you don't like this portion of the video, you can always fast forward. So, we have some red, brown, gray, some bluish. Yep, those are the same. 2 packs of that. Ooh, nice tans. Yep, those are the same, $7.62. They are not wanting to sit right today. That is beautiful. Okay. And I'm going to set those to the side for a second. So, that was more of a vacation, Paris theme. And we have this one, Down on the Farm. This one was $3.98. I try not to pay over $4 for a canvas if I can help it. Sometimes I do. Right, so this one we have 2 pens, which is really cool because I use these pens to make polymer clay and resin pens. Anyway, so 2 pens, squishy, 2 plates of wax, whoop whoop, and a green boat, and a couple baggies. Okay. And here we go. I think I saw Diamond Paint with Sweet Tea unbox this one, which I had purchased it before I realized I'd seen her unbox it. I thought it looked familiar, but I wasn't 100%. You know, because this one's sitting on this bay hill right here. That's what she said. Hay bale. Bay hill. Anyway, there you go, Sweet Tea. But yeah. Ugh. I think it's been in the facility for a little while. That's okay. Alright, so we have 26 colors. Alphabetical and numerical. Clear drill fill. Right there. Very, check her out. Very sticky, very sticky. Alright, so let's check out the drills. Okay. We are going to start right here with some of these blues and browns and grays. Like that. And if you know anything about me, you know I love gnomes. I like that green. Okay. There we have it. Alright guys, I do appreciate you watching this video. If this is your first time watching any of my videos, I do want to say welcome and hope you come back again. If you're a returning viewer, thank you so much. And if you're a subscriber, you're what makes the world goes round. So, alright guys. Once again, we have the gnomes on the hay bale, and we have the Parasine. But you really can't see them, so let me come out just a little more. Y'all be looking at my mess. Alright, there we go. A little better. Yeah, guys. So, if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, give me a thumbs down. It lets me know what you do and do not like. If you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and hit that button down there and hit that bell so you'll know when I put out the next video. Like I say in all my videos, make sure you tell the people in your life that you love them, because you never know if you'll ever get another chance. Alright guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye!